There is going to be a very, very different movie. I've seen total disrespect from these two boys.
You mean to say Vishal and Karthi? There's a lot of talk that Vijay is going to come into politics and all that.
Good for him. I have known Vijay since he was a kid. He was a very shy, gawky boy.
You feel Madam Jayalalitha has the edge at the moment?
The numbers and everything else shows that she has a major edge.
Major edge.
If you tell me that Mr. Vijayakanth is going to be a CM, I just want to know what I would think or what would a common man think.
He doesn't have the intellectual capacity to be the Chief Minister of the Tamil.
No.
Will you do another film with Karthi or Vishal?
See, my profession has nothing to do with them. When a person who is not a Tamilian comes into the fray, nobody talks about it. It's a very sad thing in Tamil Nadu politics.
Welcome to another edition of the Red Carpet. We have with us Radhika Sharat Kumar, the Iron Lady herself. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure.
So, tell us about working with Ilaya Thalapathy Vijay in Theri. I am told you're playing his mother in the film.
Actually, it's amazing. I have known Vijay since he was a kid. He was a very shy, gawky boy. I used to bully him a lot. He used to run when he sees me. And I've done a lot of movies with his father. I know the family very well. We've been like very close family friends. For the love of my life, I could never imagine him when I saw him on screen. And I said, oh my God, what did this boy turn into? He's been amazing. And I've watched
He's a really big rock star at the moment.
Oh yeah. And I have seen some excellent... I've seen some of his films and when he looks at me, he knows I'm going to be very blunt. Because if I like a film, I'll say, Vijay, romma nalla irundhathu indha padam. Otherwise, I'll say, enna Vijay and all that. And but when we did Terry, it was absolutely amazing to watch him. He just transforms like that. He's very quiet. But in this set, I think everybody was amazed that he was laughing all the time because I was there and we were in splits all the time. We were laughing and laughing and laughing all through, just talking about old times, some funny incident, and we had a tremendous time. But I must tell you, I was amazed the way he could just in front of the camera move like
Transform.
that. What an amazing dancer he is. And he's very, very, very focused. Very focused, amazingly focused.
Tell us about your character in the film, because in the trailer you appear for quite a...
Yeah, it's a cameo. It's quite interesting. It's very different from what I've done. You'll watch it another week.
Okay. Now,
and there is going to be a very, very different movie. I couldn't attend the audio launch, but whatever I've seen of the film, it's absolutely amazing.
During your dubbing, you saw them.
Yeah,
parts of it.
The director has excelled himself. The cameraman, music, and all the cast, of course. Yeah, it'll be amazing. And you have to watch out for Mahendran sir.
Oh, okay. He's coming and he's deadly in the trailer.
He's deadly. It's really.
உன்னோட சாவு எப்பவுமே நமக்கு வலிக்காது. ஆனா நமக்கு நெருக்கமானவங்களுடைய சாவு இருக்கு பாரு.
Why have you been giving interviews and why have you been hard on Mr. Vijayakanth and his wife?
Was I?
Yeah, some interview they created.
I am never.
Why?
I've never spoken about Vijayakanth.
But there was some newspaper saying that...
I don't know. I've never spoken about him.
You have never said... No. You have done many films with him.
I've done a lot of movies with him. He's a very, very... when we worked, he was a very hardworking man. He had his own way of... He's not a very highly intelligent person or whatever. He's a very raw person and he's always been like that. I think he continued it into politics. And it's nice to see a co-star of yours coming into the political arena. But somehow he messed it up. And now when I see him looking ill and, being made a butt of jokes, you feel a little...
The maximum memes are on him.
Yeah, I feel a bit bad for it. He could have done better.
மயங்கினேன் சொல்ல தயங்கினேன் உன்னை விரும்பினேன் உயிரே தினம் தினம் உந்தன் தரிசனம் பெற தவிக்குதே மனமே.
Okay, and this you feel that the Vaiko Vijaykanth combination is a bit of a joke?
Disintegrating. And I don't know. Forget me as I'm Sharat Kumar's wife, or forget me, I'm Radhika. If I'm a normal voter and I look at it, and if you tell me that Mr. Vijaykanth is going to be a CM, I just want to know what I would think, or what would a common man think. You think this man can seriously represent anything?
You feel that he doesn't have that
He
intellectual...
doesn't have. I'm sorry. It's no fault of his. It's just that way it is.
He doesn't have the intellectual capacity to be the Chief
Nothing.
Minister of the Tamil.
No. They can compare themselves with anybody, but MGR is a very, very different thing.
He compares
subject.
himself with MGR.
No, he is no patch on Mr. MGR. He is no patch.
He is no patch. But what about his wife has said that even MGR couldn't speak properly as much as...
I think that was the most ridiculous thing. Two things which was very ridiculous, and I feel very...
Premlata made that statement.
Yeah, she said that. That was very ridiculous. Where she said he has tonsils in his... he has sinus in his throat. Okay, that was a new medical term, which is, I think, it comes down in medical miracles. And the second thing, I think she said that he used to speak dialogues like Shivaji Ganeshan. That was, I feel sorry for Mr.
You
Shivaji.
have acted with him. Does he really speak like Shivaji
He
Ganeshan?
doesn't. So, I felt sorry for Mr. Shivaji Ganeshan, but other than that, yeah.
Okay. And would you say that more actors will come from the industry?
I don't know. I really don't know.
What about new generation?
I have
because
no
there's a lot of talk that Vijay is going to come into politics and all that.
Good for him. I mean, politics is not a bad word. Politics is, they want to do something for the society, socially. They have a responsibility. My father was in politics, a very socially responsible person who, for somebody who was not educated.
Check me out, you know what I'm about. Taking base down. To the couch, and then out my house. Never hit or leave a bitter.
But what's your opinion on Jayalalitha as the Chief Minister? She's been good?
She's a very tough person. She's a person who wants everything to happen the way she sees it. Like, everything has to be very disciplined, very orderly. Everyone has, even the slightest thing is not being taken lightly. She has her own way of handling things.
Now, when Sharat Kumar and Mr. Karunas meet, what
Who is Karuna? Oh, the actor.
they are on opposite side of the fence.
Yeah. I don't know. I think you know Sharath very well. And
Yeah.
you know how he's beyond all this.
Yeah.
And really, I don't. Doesn't matter to us.
Okay. Now, you feel that you are being left out by the system or by the Nadigar Sangam?
We are not. No. Why should they leave? We are not going anywhere. Like, we are happy. I mean, it's a new people who have come. They should also work. They also should take up. Actually, Sharath didn't want to contest. He was pushed to contest.
But why did he contest?
Because of the allegations. He had to prove that it was not right. I went up personally to everybody and I told them, look, this is what it is. You want to do it, do it. But no, they just wanted a fight. They just wanted a fight. I mean, I could see, I spoke to Karthi, I spoke to Vishal, I spoke to Sivakam, but all of them, Sivakumar put his hands up. He says, I know this thing over my kids and I don't think they are understanding what we are talking. But Karthi and Vishal were just on one trip.
Okay. Will you be cooperating with the Nadigar Sangam in the conducting of the cricket match?
I'm very happy they're doing something. Let them do it. And
But you are the person who started all this cricket matches and all
so
that.
that's okay. That's fine. I mean, film was introduced by somebody else. We are making movies, so that's okay. I'm happy. Let them do it. I mean, I don't have the time to take part, and I don't think I would want to take part because to me, after all what has happened and after all what I've done, I've seen total disrespect from these two boys. Forget that politician who is there.
You mean to say Vishal and
And
Karthi were disrespectful of Mr. Sharad Kumar?
Of everyone, including me. I don't. It's okay. You go your way, I go my way. That's it.
Yeah, but when these allegations were made about Sharad Kumar, as a wife also you must have felt very upset.
I am still upset, and we are taking it up we've sent legal notices. We'll handle it legally. I don't think we should stoop
So
down.
you're going to handle that legally?
It's going legally because all what they have done is absolutely wrong. All what they have, you see, I think Mr. Puji Murugan said we have put an auditor to check the accounts. First of all, they have not come to the general body to ask the general body whether they can have an auditor. They have not taken away the auditor, the present auditor. And all these accounts were brought to general body and then taken to the register and the audit committee. So if they have to question, they have to question only an audit committee.
Yeah.
I think they didn't know the rules. Well, they'll learn it now.
Will you do another film with Karthi or Vishal?
See, my profession has nothing to do with them.
Okay.
I'm telling you, who are they? Who are they to dictate what I should do, or why should their presence deter me? It doesn't matter. I'm not talking about my profession. I'm very clear cut on that. My profession is my even if I see them, I'm not going to turn my face. It's not my school days where I'm going to do all this.
Okay. And you have two lovely children?
Yeah, I have my daughter's wedding coming up, which I'm very excited about. I have a little boy who needs all my attention. So for me, my priorities are different. It's not politics.
Radhika has just been watching Vani Rani. It's my wife's favorite serial.
Okay, thank you.
நல்ல ட்விஸ்ட் இருக்கு.
ஆமா, நிறைய ட்விஸ்ட்.
நிறைய ட்விஸ்ட் இருக்கு. And the serial, everybody is trying to pull you down. Like in real life. Please tell me, is it true?
But it's not only to me. To everybody. It's like that. அந்த கிணத்துல இருக்கிற மென்டாலிட்டி தான் எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்கு. இந்த தவளை வெளியே வரும்போது அடுத்த தவளை அவன் காலை பிடிச்சி கீழே இருக்கும். It's not only to me. I think everybody faces these situations in real life.
Okay, so you are also taking some instances from your real life and...
No. Story is a story.
Story is a story.
ஜோசப் குருவிலா, விஜய் குமார், போக மாதிரி ஒரு உருவம்.
And a phenomenal record that is nearly 21 years on Sun TV, right from basically from the inception of the
95.
channel. You have been there, part and parcel of it. And also a serial at 9:30 p.m. prime time slot. You have been holding that for 17 long years.
I don't know, it's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of perseverance. It's just, I think I enjoyed my work. That's the best way to put it.
And serial business is something different from film making.
100%.
Film making is around 2.5 hours and this is
We
20.
we do nearly 3 movies a week, actually.
Yeah.
Serial is a lot of hard work. It's a lot of dedicated people working. It's a lot of effort being put into. So
No,
it's
you
not
have
easy.
to have that attention grabbing.
Yeah. You need to be very focused. You can't even shift your focus out.
So do you sit with your script writers and
Yeah,
say,
I do.
Vani will do this or Rani will do that?
Yep.
You do that?
Yep.
Okay.
Every script is vetted by me, and once that whole block is ready, we all have a discussion. It comes to be in the end, once they've all done, then I sit and then I will tell them, they'll tell me, can we go on this line? If I don't like it, I said, don't do it. Then they work on it and then we put everything into place.
And your characterization in all your serials are to place to your strength? Do you deliberately do that?
As an actress, my strength as an actress.
Yes, that's what I said.
Yeah. Yeah.
You do that.
Yeah. Everyone will say, you should do this. Sometimes I don't agree. They want to show me like a hero. I mean, they're like a very heroic. I said, please just let's stick to the basics. But then some people like it. Yeah, then we sort of keep it.
ராணி, பூமி பேசுறமா.
மாமா சொல்லுங்க மாமா.
வீட்டுல என்ன பிரச்சனை?
வீட்ல என்ன பிரச்சனையா? ஐயோ மாமா, அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்ல மாமா.
இல்ல வீட்டுல ஏதோ பிரச்சனை. உங்க அக்கா ஃபோன் பண்ணி காய்ச்சி மூச்சுன்னு கத்துறா. மறைக்காத, என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
ஐயோ மாமா, சத்தியமா ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல மாமா.
And how long will you go on doing one?
I hope I can do it for quite some time. I enjoy my work.
You're thoroughly enjoying it.
Yeah, I love my work.
But like Chitti and Annamale, you think it will cross that or it will be on par 2 or 3 years?
Vani Rani has crossed it. It's gone now. It's touching 1,000 episodes.
Thousands. Okay, that's phenomenal. But all other serials also touched 1,000, no?
Chitti we didn't touch 1,000 because I think we all were a little
Nervous.
about pushing it, because that was the first time we had that. So we didn't cross 1,000 with Chitti. Annamala and all we did quite a bit.
When you think of women entrepreneurs,
Yeah.
especially down south, you figure in the top 5 list. I would put you there right top because it's your thing that Radan has become what it's today, a major brand.
Yeah. That was a lot of thought which went into to create Radan. See, when I first started, what happened was I was doing everything. I was like donning all the hats. I was being producer, I was being creative, I was actress, I was mother, I was everything, production manager, everything. So a lot of people tend to take you for a ride because you're so scattered. And I lost a lot of money during that initial years when I started. Then I stopped. I started thinking on, because nobody was taking me seriously.
Okay.
Of that I wanted to do something long term. Is then I thought of corporatizing the whole thing, because I was very enamored with the fact that you can be very, very disciplined in your work. I learnt a lot from Telugu industry because I've done my
You
major.
had a very good innings as a.
I did
You
very
did
well.
films with all the top major stars there.
Yeah. So I learnt a lot of discipline there, which I implemented, and I made it into a company. I got professionals to come into the company, and that's how it went.
Is Mr. Sharat Kumar modeling himself on the Kamraj?
Yes, he does.
Is it because of the caste sympathy or what?
No, my husband is the last person to think of caste and all that. He doesn't believe in that at all.
Huh.
He is born in a particular caste, that he is not his fault.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what he is, and people affiliate him with that. But that is the thing in Tamil Nadu politics. The minute a Tamilian comes into this fray,
Yeah.
he's known as the caste. But when a person who is not a Tamilian comes into the fray, nobody talks about it. It's a very sad thing in Tamil Nadu politics.
Are you hinting at Mr. J. Kant? Or?
Yeah, if I see Vijaykant and Vaiko together, I get that feeling. I'm sorry, it's just a deja vu.
So you get that feeling. But you keep on harping. But how was he able to win so many seats, the 37 seats?
He was aligned with the AIADMK at that point, and that was a wave which happened, and he also benefited from that.
There are let's say, the great point is that you had some difference of opinion with his wife Premlata. Is it true?
Never met her.
You have never met Premlata?
I don't even know her. I've just seen her in school. I think Vijaykant's son and my daughter were friends in school. They studied together when they were young. And I've just seen her very briefly there, and that's it. I have never even said her. I don't even know
You
her.
have never said even hello to her.
I don't even know her.
And will you be campaigning for him in Tiruchendur?
Yeah, I will.
You will be going?
Yeah, sure. I told you I stand by my husband.
Okay, so 100% you are going there.
Yeah.
And if 2 seats were given, will you be also contesting? A lot of people are asking me also, why can't Radhika contest an election?
Like I said, in politics or in anything what I do, I feel I should give 100%. I don't think I'm ready to give that 100% to politics. So we'll leave it at that. I'm not there to give it 100%. I have too much on my plate. I have my work, I have my business, I have my office, I have my career, and my work defines me. I'm very happy working. The only thing in the world I ever believe or trust is my work.
It's something which has not let you down? Or?
Never has let me down.
Okay, and what about your films that Radan has produced? Why haven't they been as successful as your serials?
Okay. I think Mari did very well.
Yeah, Mari is a hit.
Yeah. Chennai Oru Naal did very well.
These are the 2 hits in recent times.
The rest, of course, were not successful. But then you lose some, you win some. I want to compare it with my television thing. But then that's the way films are.
Are you making
you can have a failure, but you can never guarantee a success in films.
And now, how do you see the 2016 elections?
Very interesting. It will be between the two major parties. Going to be a fight, and let's see how
You
it goes.
feel Madam Jayalalitha has the edge at the moment.
The numbers and everything else shows that she has a major edge.
Major edge. And what about your film career? It's also doing well.
Yep, I've done it's been an interesting year. I've done quite a few films and from last year. It's fun. I'm working with a lot of new talent, new people. It's really fun. I don't feel I've left, although I took a break consciously because of all my work commitments. I'm finding it's very stressful now.
Yeah.
But maybe for the next few months, I'll take a small break because my daughter is to get married.
Okay. When is a big day for Ryan?
August.
August. And you have zeroed in on a date?
Yeah, it's on August 28th.
Okay, August 28th is a big day for you. So you'll be taking a break for 1 month.
I've been wanting to get my script and my work done, so everyone's on panic mode at the moment.
Okay, that's it. So all the best for 2016, and
Thank
I
you.
hope Mr. Sharad Kumar gets elected from Tiruchendur.
Tiruchendur, and yeah, let's
And
hope for the best. That's what life is all about.
That's what life is about, and it's also a new beginning for him, and I'm sure he will rock.
It's always a bowl of cherries. You don't know what the next one is.
What do you do when your chips are down, when everything is down? You know, that's human life. I know. I
I
understand.
know,
Uh.
but you know, there's no last page in anything. You have to get up and go out, and you know, it's okay.
Yeah.
I think it's great, and I like Sharad's spirit, his perseverance. I don't think I'm not seeing anybody who has that sort of perseverance.
Because he's
like
got
Sharad.
repeatedly hit and got up and walked.
He just gets up, and he's fallen down from 65 feet, broken his neck,
Yeah.
his spinal, he has plates in his neck,
Yeah.
his left vocal cord is paralyzed, but he got up and he became a major hero. I mean, I give it to him.
Very nice speaking to you.
Thanks.